What's up, Pyros? Today we're going to take a look at this 42-shot 500-gram cake by Brothers Fireworks called Light Brigade. Now, I've seen this one in the past. I've yet to actually shoot it. I've seen it in stores. I just never purchased it myself. So I'm really intrigued to try it out finally in person. Let's take a look at performance. So we have get a charge with blue stars, silver glitter, or red stars with delayed crackling, alternating with blue stars with flying fish, silver tails with silver spinners, and red tails of crackling with red fallen leaves, and then a 6-shot finale of delayed crackling. Okay, so pretty decent size effects as far as different individual. We got flying fish, silver tails, blue stars, red tails, crackling, fallen leaves, delayed crackling, and regular crackling. So a lot of different variety. So hopefully it turns out to be a good cake. Take a look at the tubes here. So the tube layout looks like they're all the same size. Obviously the glue kind of stuck on, so I had troubles getting it off. Inside diameter, wow, maybe a 1/2 inch, 3/4 if we're lucky. The fuse is right here in this bottom corner. So the way that the cake's built, we're probably gonna go up this row, zigzag down and around all the way through. Kind of interested to know if it's going to be all single shots or kind of like singles and multi shots, and then maybe a 6-shot finale here on the end. I don't know. I'm intrigued to try it, so I think we'll go outside and light it. So Pyros, let's go ahead and take a look at this 42-shot 500-gram cake by Brothers Fireworks called Light Brigade. For now, Pyros, I hope you enjoy, and I will see you all in the next demo video.